What's up guys, welcome back. Today I'm reviewing the YOSUDA Air Magnetic Dragonfly Rowing Machine. Now, this rower stood out to me because it combines air and magnetic resistance, something you don't see too often in home gym rowing machines. Most budget and even premium rowers, like the Concept 2 or the Merrick R50, rely on air only. The Dragonfly promises to bring the best of both worlds, the natural rowing feel of air with the smooth, quiet, and adjustable resistance of magnets. In this video, I'll cover unboxing, first impressions, performance, key features, pricing, and final thoughts to help you decide if this is the right rowing machine for your home gym. Let's get started. The Dragonfly arrived in one large, heavy box, weighing about 100 pounds, which immediately signals the quality of its materials. Inside, the packaging was secure with the frame and major components wrapped in protective foam and plastic. Everything was well organized and labeled, so no damage occurred during transit. Right out of the box, the build quality was impressive. The heavy-duty aluminum and steel frame gives it a solid, stable presence, and the overall design looks sleek with a matte finish. I also noticed the nickel-plated steel chain, which is top-notch quality and promises smooth, durable performance for long-term use. And I'm glad the rower comes with wheels to move it around because, like I said, it's a lot of weight to handle. The ergonomic seat and oversized foot pedals immediately stand out, and the reinforced stabilizers on the base should keep it rock solid. Overall, it looks like a step up from your typical budget rower. The assembly took me about 30 to 40 minutes. The user manual is straightforward with clear diagrams and a hardware checklist that makes the process easy to follow. All tools are included, which is a nice bonus. The parts themselves feel very high quality, thick, solid, and heavy. I really appreciated the seat design. Underneath, it has nylon rollers that look like they'll last a long time and glide smoothly along the monorail. Overall, the assembly wasn't too difficult. Now, one important safety tip, when connecting the two main sides of the frame together, watch your fingers. There are a couple of pinch points in that area, and I actually pinched my fingers by accident. So make sure and keep your hands and fingers clear when lining up and sliding those sections together. Once fully assembled, the rower feels extremely sturdy, with no wobble or loose parts. The Dragonfly is designed for home gyms, so space efficiency is key. Fully assembled, it measures about 96 inches long, 20 inches wide, and 38 inches tall. What's nice is the foldable frame and detachable design, which lets you store it more easily than other bulkier rowers. Folded upright, it takes up significantly less space, a great option if you're working with limited room. Now, let's talk about performance. The Dragonfly is built around a dual resistance system. This is the biggest difference compared to most rowers. The air resistance provides that natural, responsive rowing feel that increases as you row harder. On top of that, you get 8 levels of magnetic resistance, offering up to 183 pounds of total resistance. You can adjust this through the handlebar buttons. Now, this is a big deal. It means you can fine-tune the intensity mid-stroke without breaking your rhythm or form. Another standout feature is when you connect the rower to the Fire app via Bluetooth. In this mode, resistance automatically adjusts in real time to match your training program, making workouts smarter and more personalized. It feels similar to guided classes you'd see on higher-end platforms, but without the mandatory subscriptions. The rower itself supports up to 330 pounds, and the seat comfort is excellent. It glides smoothly along the rail with no sticking points, and the ergonomic shape makes longer sessions much more comfortable. The handlebar grips are firm but cushioned, and the pedals hold your feet securely with adjustable straps. At lower resistance levels, it feels light and fluid, similar to air-only machines. When you add magnetic resistance, the stroke becomes more deliberate and challenging, making it ideal for strength endurance training. I found that combining air with magnetic settings gave me a better balance between cardio-focused workouts and power-based rowing. Noise-wise, it's quieter than a pure air rower, which is a nice perk if you're in a shared space. The Bluetooth connection was seamless with a Fire app, and the auto-adjusting resistance made intervals and guided workouts more engaging. Alright, here's a few standout features to note. Dual resistance system. It combines air and magnetic resistance for a versatile training experience. On-the-handle resistance adjustment. Adjust resistance with your thumbs mid-row without breaking form. Fire app integration. Real-time, auto-adjusting resistance for guided workouts. Compact and foldable design. Saves space and stores easily, making it home gym friendly. Premium aluminum frame and monorail. Constructed with a premium aluminum frame for lasting durability and refined strength. The monorail features an advanced aluminum silicone alloy and stainless steel blend. Nickel-plated steel chain adds longevity and a smooth rowing motion. Heavy-duty steel base frame, sturdy and durable, supports up to 330 pounds. And a comfort-first design, smooth seat glide, ergonomic build, and reinforced stabilizers for stability. Alright, for pricing, the Dragonfly typically retails around $650 and $899, depending on promotions. That places it right in the middle of the market, more expensive than the Merrick R50, but less than the Concept 2. In my opinion, it's a strong middle ground offering better versatility than budget options without reaching premium pricing territory. And I'll put a link in the description so you can check the current pricing. So, the YOSUDA Air Magnetic Dragonfly rowing machine brings a lot to the table. With its dual resistance system, on-the-handle controls, sturdy build, and compact foldable design, it's a fantastic choice for home gym owners who want both versatility and space savings. The Smart App integration adds another layer of value without locking you into subscriptions. Now, it's not the cheapest rower, but the performance and features justify the price point. If you're looking for a machine that balances durability, smart features, and user-friendly design, the Dragonfly is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more home gym equipment reviews. We'll see you in the next one.